खास करून हांगा मुद्दम अण्णा आयला, PM प्रभुदेसाय पयलींचो डायरेक्टर, बाकीचे सगळे आसा चडशे असोसिएटेड ज्या स्पोर्ट्स असोसिएशनांनी बरोबर हांवें काम केलें, त्या ऑफिसरां बरोबर काम केलें आनी ज्या स्विमींग असोसिएशनान हांव गेल्लीं कांय वर्सां लागींच्यान काम केलें, तशें सगळे म्हणजे स्विमर्स आसा, तांचे पेरंट्स आसा, कोचीस आसा, पत्रकार भाव आसा आनी म्हज्या मोगाळ भावनांनी मेळ्ळी. खरें म्हणल्यार हांवें धरूंक नाशिल्लें की हांव बॅडमिंटनांतल्यान स्विमिंगाक पावलो, स्विमिंगांतल्यान नॅशनल फेडरेशनांत पावलो, नॅशनल फेडरेशनांतल्यान वर्ल्ड एक्वेटिक्साक पावलो. सचे पयल्यार फाटले पिक्चर पळयल्यार म्हाका दिसता खरेंच हांव पावतलो अशें केन्ना हांवें चिंतिल्लें काय म्हणून. पूण डेस्टिनी हांव केन्ना म्हणटा, म्हाका लोक थोडे फकाणां मारता पळय, हांव केन्नाय म्हणटा डेस्टिनी कोण बदलपाक शकना. जें कितें तुज्या हातूंत आसा तें कोणूच काडपाक शकना. म्हणून म्हाका कोणी देवाचो मनीस म्हणल्यार सुद्दां वायट दिसता. ताका लागून थोड्याच्या तोंडांतल्यान देवाचें नांव येता. नास्तीक आशिल्ले सुद्दां देवाचें नांव घेवपाक लागता ही आनंदाची गजाल. पूण हांव स्पोर्ट्सांत पॉलिटिकल कॅरियर सोडून दी, आज हांगा पॉलिटिशियन चडशे ना. आय केप्ट दीस फंक्शन स्पेशली कनेक्टेड विथ स्पोर्ट्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन एंड माय फ्रेंड्स हू वर्क विथ मी टायरलेसली ड्युरिंग द लास्ट सो मेनी इयर्स. हांवें कितलेशे इव्हेंट्स होस्ट केले. आमी याद जाता रायट इन द बिगिनींग हांव चौगले कॉलेजीक खेळटालो. हांव आनी कृष्णकुमार अगरवाल आमी पार्टनर आशिल्ले. हांव सदां अनिलाक आतां म्हणटालो, अनिल आनी आनंद वॉज द बेस्ट डबल्स कॉम्बिनेशन टू दोज डेज. आमी सगळ्यांक मारले पूण तांकां मारपाक शकले ना. तशें बॅडमिंटनांतल्यान मागीर हांव प्रेसिडेंट जालो, सेक्रेटरी जालो. आमी सिनियर नॅशनल्स होस्ट केले. फर्स्ट सिनियर नॅशनल्स वर होस्टेड, फर्स्ट ज्युनियर नॅशनल्स वॉज होस्टेड इन गोवा. ऑर्गनायझर म्हणून बॅडमिंटनाक खुबशें बरें काम त्या वेळाचेर म्हाका करपाची संदी मेळ्ळी बिकॉज ऑफ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू. मागीर अनिलान म्हजें नांव स्विमिंगाक रिकमेंड केलें. तेन्ना स्विमींग असोसिएशन वॉज लुकींग आउट फॉर प्रेसिडेंट. अनिल वॉज वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ स्विमींग फेडरेशन. ताणें नानावटीक सांगलें. नानावटी केम हियर. आय वॉज पावर मिनिस्टर एट दॅट टायम. आनी ताणें म्हाका सांगलें वी हॅव डिसायडेड टू मेक यू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ स्विमींग फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया. हांव म्हणलें अरे एदी व्हडली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुमी म्हजेर दिता. आय वील बी एबल टू बेर दम फॉर अ डॉट. वी वॉन्ट अ पर्सन हू वील टेक एवरीबडी विथ. आनी तातूंतल्यान हांव स्विमींग फेडरेशनाचे 3 टर्म कंप्लीट केले. मोनालान सांगलें तें खरें. देर वॉज अ युनॅनिमस डिमांड टू कंटिन्यू. ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स कोड I could not continue. So they made me lifetime president of Swimming Federation of India. So even today when president is not there, they ask me to preside over the meeting. हे तांचे मोठेपण सगळ्याचे. आज म्हजो प्रेसिडेंट ना. JP is in US. आज आमचो सिनियर प्रेसिडेंट पयलींचो सेक्रेटरी जनरल नानावटी is in Ahmedabad. His brother's function is there, so he is not able to come. But I made request to owner, at least you should come representing the national federation. तशी म्हजी जर्नी जाली आनी लास्टाक मागीर आय वॉज इलेक्टेड टू द वर्ल्ड एक्वेटिक एज द ब्युरो मेंबर. आज टुडे देर वॉज ए झूम मीटिंग विथ कॅप्टन हुसेन. कॅप्टन हुसेन इज अवर वर्ल्ड एक्वेटिक प्रेसिडेंट. So I invited him for Asian Aquatic League in Ahmedabad, where he has said he will come for one day, not on the inaugural day, but he will come for one day. अशी स्पोर्ट्सा कडेन म्हणजे इतले लागींच्यान संबंद आयलो. वेगळे वेगळे असोसिएशनांत हांवें काम केलें. स्पोर्ट्सांत फिल्डांत काम करता आसतना हांवें भेदभाव केलो ना. आनी ताका लागून खुबशी म्हाका नामना मेळ्ळी. खुबशें म्हजें काम लोकांनी लागींच्यान पळयलें. आनी टुडे ऑल ऑफ यू आर प्रेझेंट मेनली बिकॉज माय असोसिएशन वीथ ऑल ऑफ यू. आयचो दीस हो काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणपाचो सगळ्यांक ज्यांनी स्पोर्ट्सांत काम करता आसतना म्हाका पूर्णपणे सहकार्य केलें. हांवें स्पोर्ट्सांत पॉलिटिक्स केलें ना. फॉर युअर इन्फॉर्मेशन, आय हॅव नेवर डन पॉलिटिक्स इन स्पोर्ट्स. यू आस्क एनीबडी, तूं प्रत्येक जाण सांगतलो की स्पोर्ट्सांत जर कोणें पॉलिटिक्स केलें नासत जाल्यार दिगंबर कामतीन. आय डीड नॉट डू एनी पॉलिटिक्स इन द स्पोर्ट्स. आय कॅरीड एवरीबडी विथ मी, whether it is irrespective. Like खंयचोय स्पोर्ट्स आसा, those who call me, I am helped them like anything by using all my powers. खंयचेय स्पोर्ट्स आसूं, बॉक्सिंग आसत, बॉडी बिल्डिंग आसत, आनी कसले जे केन्ना कोणें म्हाका उलो मारला तांकां हांवें सदांच हेल्प केलां. आनी म्हणूनच इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट आय थॉट दॅट वी वील गेट ओनली स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स टू बी प्रेझेंट फॉर दीस फंक्शन. दीस वॉज मेड टोटली. म्हणजे म्हाका आतां पयलीं आतां खूब जाण उबाले कोण कोण येवपाचे. हांव म्हणलें सगळे येवपाचे आहा ते स्पोर्ट्समॅन येवपाचे आसा. स्पोर्ट्समॅन फुटबॉलाक लागून बॅडमिंटनाक लागून स्विमिंगाक लागून नॅशनल लेवलाचेर हांवें फ्रेंड्स जोडले. आय गो टू एनी स्टेट, आय गो टू एनी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, आय हॅव लॉट्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. म्हणजे पॉलिटिक्सा पेक्षा स्पोर्ट्साक लागून हांवें मनीस चड जोडले अशें हांव मानता. खंय गेलो जाल्यार बॅडमिंटनाच्या वेळार आमचे कितले आनीक जाले, त्या वेळाचेर थोडे आनीक जाले. आतां म्हाका उजून प्रकाश पडुकर जाय. म्हणजे तुमकां सांगल्यार खरें दिसपना की प्रकाश पडुकर आपल्या दोनी चलयांक आनी बायलेक घेवन म्हाज्या घरा कडेन येयलो. त्या वेळाचेर आनी टुकी फॉर डिनर इन गेली. रोशनलाल वॉज देयर. आज रोशनलाल दिसलो म्हाका. रोशनलाल वॉज द कोच एट दॅट. सो दॅट सॉर्ट ऑफ रिलेशनशीप सगळ्या कडेन बॅडमिंटनाक जावं स्विमिंगाक आतां जावं सगळे कोच जावं सगळे जावं हांचे कडेन बरें रिलेशन दवरलें. आय ट्राय टू कॅरी एवरीबॉडी विथ मी. केन्नाय जर कितें डिफरन्स ऑफ ओपिनियन जालो, प्रॉब्लेम जालो, दे इज टू कम टू मी एंड आय इज टू थ्रॅश इट आउट विदाउट एनी डिले. आनी तातूंतल्यान हांवें नांव जोडलें अशें हांव मानतां. तुमी सगळ्यांनी म्हाका मोग दिलो. तुमकां सगळ्यांक काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आज तुमी शॉर्ट नोटीस आमी पयलींच थारायलें कित्याक मागीर पयलीं जावपाचें तें ताजे मदीं मागीर आनी कितें एक्टिविटी जाल्यो म्हणून उरलें. आनी आतां एवरीबॉडी इज बिजी वीथ होस्टींग. हांव वर्ल्ड बिरोचेर गेलो आनी इंडिया इज अलॉटेड एशियन एक्वेटीक चॅम्पियनशीप टू बी होस्टेड इन अहमदाबाद. 11th एक्वेटीक चॅम्पियनशीप फर्स्ट टायम इन इंडिया. 11th एक्वेटीक चॅम्पियनशीप first time in India is being hosted in Ahmedabad in newly constructed swimming pool complex, which is going to be inaugurated on 28th of September. म्हणजे अशें म्हणजे ताजो इनडायरेक्टली इंडियेक बेनिफीट जालो. हांव वर्ल्ड एक्वेटिक्साचेर गेलो ताजो फर्स्ट म्हजे पयलीं द ओनली इंडियन टू रिप्रेझेंट एशिया इन वर्ल्ड एक्वेटिक्स ऑफ मिस्टर वीरेंद्र भाई नानावटी.
The Goa Swimming Association is hosting a function to felicitate his appointment not only as the member from India to the World Aquatics Bureau, as well as his recent inclusion in the ministry for the government of Goa. There was no way I could not attend. I'm not sure whether all of you know, but we are in the midst of preparing for a very big international event happening in India, Ahmedabad. That is the 11th Asian Aquatic Championship, and we are just 10 days away from that championship. But this is not an event that I would have missed, and I thank Digambar sir for having me here. Friends, I would say Digambar sir needs no introduction, and certainly not from me. But I would certainly like to share on this occasion that by the time I came in as the Secretary for the Federation of India, his term had ended. Had it not been for the sports code, I don't think the Swimming Federation of India would have ever asked Digambar sir to retire. It was just the sports code and the rules that follow that a president can serve a maximum of 3 terms. But the time that I came in 2019, he had created a legacy in his term of 12 years. He had set the platform for us to be able to do things that Indian swimming needs. And though he was not the president officially by title, for us all, he has and he continues to serve as the de facto president and a mentor, a guide, a beacon whenever we need. And I must say that he has personally been a huge supporter and a mentor for all the initiatives that I've been able to bring forward in my tenure so far. So I'm serving the 6th year as a Secretary of the Federation, and we have started many initiatives. Some of you may be aware, some of you may not. This is not to go in the occasion to which it would be appropriate to go into all that. But the point I'm trying to make is that he has a vision And I always found him to be a person who understands complex issues very, very quickly. I think it comes from his being a seasoned politician, an administrator par excellence, and whenever I have had the occasion where we needed to brief him on some things, he would just say, Monal, just give me a few bullet points. And it just took that. He could distill what was required to be done in a snap of a second and conduct meetings where we needed his leadership. So it's amazing, and I'm fortunate to have been able to come close to him, learn from him, and being mentored by him and supported by him. I thank him for that. So, sir, we wish you all the best as you continue to move forward in the arena of aquatic sport and your other spheres of life. At the World Aquatics, I'm sure that his political acumen, his leadership style of being so humble yet so dominating, and his skill at navigating people will be a huge, huge contribution not only to India but to the World Aquatics itself. And I am sure that in a very short time he will be a very indispensable figure in the larger World Aquatics ecosystem. This is going to be beneficial to India, and sir, we continue to look forward to all the great things you achieve over there and how you bring laurels to India. Thank you for having me here on this occasion. I really appreciate it.
I was not prepared to say, you were sure you want me to talk, right? But my memory with Digambar goes back to late 60s, early 70s when we used to play football in the veranda. Then Anil Madgavkar came to me and said, we must have a nationals in Goa in badminton, 1977. So I said, but what am I supposed to do? I can barely play good badminton, but I was a player of sorts. And anyway, the momentum to hold nationals in Goa took place. And I invited Digambar also to join. And Anil was there, and Roshanla was the coach. And lo and behold, for the first time, and the only time as yet, we had nationals. And I learned a few things from Digambar. And I was chairing the meetings and I was the president. Digambar was the treasurer secretary. And Anil was vice president. And finally, at that momentous occasion of badminton nationals, Prakash Padukone arrived as a young champion of India before he started his journey towards Denmark and then the All England and then world and so on. So it gave me some insight into sports. But I didn't realize Digambar was so glued to this idea of sports that he continued this his commitment and went into other sports also, and he is now at the helm of the junior national was also, he's reminding me a few other things, that at the junior nationals, Digambar was again a member participating to make it happen. Both were very successful events. And Goa made its impact as a host. Goa has not made a tremendous impact on producing top athletes in the world, or top athletes in India, in almost sports other than football. So sometimes a question I ask, and therefore challenge to Digambar and the office bearers of India's Swimming Aquatic Association. Anyone can tell me how many medals India has won in Olympics in swimming? Don't open your Google or anything like that. It's a zero. There's one tremendous athlete called Michael Phelps. He won 23 gold. 23 gold by one man, one swimmer. And of course some silver and bronze. And I thought before him there was another athlete, a swimmer called Mark Spitz. And I thought he was the greatest ever. He had won 9. But can you imagine, even 9 was surpassed by Michael Phelps. My proposition to Digambar is during his tenure, please produce the first India's medal, maybe bronze, maybe gold, maybe silver also. We can say that from our badminton efforts, we have produced 3 world champions. So now another challenge for you to make this happen, and India's time has come to rise up, not just in the economic affairs but also in sports arena. We have to engage more in sports, because sports gives us camaraderie. Sports gives us a spirit of sportsmanship, as they call it. I don't know what word to use besides team forming. So there's an old saying in English which I learned in school: all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So the sportsmanship that Digambar has displayed all his life, whether it's in politics, whether it's in social work, whether it's in organizational, is to be appreciated. Because we had turbulence in the Goa Badminton Association, he nicely made consensus of it, and the nationals went ahead, and subsequently other things happened. So with the swimming, may he have the same success as he has had with badminton. And with these words, I put this challenge before Digambar and his teammates in the India Association, that let the swimmers of Goa rise, and let Digambar take them to higher altitudes. Thank you.
As secretary of the Badminton Association, as he said, he and Mr. Timlaw organized a national championship, which was not an easy feat. In those days, in the 70s, there was hardly any sponsorship, hardly any money. But what they did was really creditable, and it was appreciated by all badminton players from all over the country in those days. Subsequently, he continued with the Badminton Association, and I went into swimming. I formed the Goa Swimming Association. I was president for a couple of terms, and then when I was leaving, there was literally no one to take over, and the whole Goa Swimming Association was going into disarray. That's when I went and again asked Digambar to kindly come and take over as president. And as I said, Digambar, being very helpful, immediately said, "Fine, you tell me what you want me to do, and I'll happily take over." He took over as president of Goa Swimming. He made sure that more swimming pools were built in Goa, more facilities were provided to our swimmers, and he took all our swimmers to a very high level. I mean, we've got swimmers like Talasha Prabhu and various others who represented India at Asian levels and almost made it to the Olympic level. Then, after that, after a couple of years, there was trouble in the Swimming Federation of India. I was vice president. I had just retired as vice president of Swimming Federation of India, and there were 2-3 factions in the federation, and it looked like the federation was literally going to have a court battle with factions fighting with one another, at which time the members of the 2-3 factions came down to Goa and met me and said, "Anil, can you please help resolve this issue? We just can't find anybody capable of running the federation." And that's when I again told them, "I have the ideal person for you, somebody who will put his heart and soul into swimming and make sure that the Swimming Federation rises to great glory again." Again, it was Digambar Kamath who I suggested. They happily accepted. And from that time, Swimming Federation of India has been one united body. They have produced swimmers of Asian level. And I'm hopeful that in the years to come, we'll definitely have swimmers of Olympic level, will be winning medals at the Olympic level. Digambar's contribution to swimming has been so tremendous that despite finishing his 2 terms, because of the sports code, he couldn't continue as president. But as I said, he's still respected as the president of Swimming Federation of India, although he may not officially hold the post. His services have been recognized at the Asian level. His expertise, his services, his wholehearted support for swimming have been recognized at the Asian level, where he was also a member of the Asian Federation. And now, the Asian body has elected him to represent Asia at the Olympic level. This is a really great honor. Not everybody achieves anything like this. And believe me, I pray and hope that in the next 5 to 6 years, Digambar will make it to the president of the world body. I hope so.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.